Imagine this, you swipe a small piece of a plastic card and suddenly you are spending money you don't even have. Sounds powerful, right? But here is the scary part. The same credit card that can make you rich and can also trap in debt for years. And most people don't even realize how it works. If you are using a credit card or planning to get one, this video might literally save your lakhs of rupees. Let's talk about a very real situation. Rahul just got his first job. Salary is 25,000 per month. One day he gets a call, sir, you are eligible for credit card with 1 lakh limit. Rahul feels proud. Wow, bank trust me this much. So he takes it. First month he buys a phone. Second month clothes, dinners and subscription. Swap. Feels like free money. But then bill comes 42,000 and minimum pay amount is approx 2100. Rahul thinks बस इतना ही तो पे करना है. And this is where the trap begins. Let's understand what really happening behind the scene, because credit cards are not evil, but misunderstanding them is. First thing you need to understand, a credit card is not your money. It is a short-term loan. When you swipe your credit card, you are borrowing from the bank, not spending your salary. Keep it in your mind. Think of it like this, your debit card equal to your pocket money and your credit card equal to बैंक का उधार. बहुत सिंपल है. But here is the catch. This loan interest free only for a limited time, and this is where most will get confused. Let's break this down. Every credit card has something called billing cycle. Usually it is 30 days. Let's say you spent on 1st April, your bill gets generated on 30th of April and payment due date is around 15th of May. That means you get almost 45 days to pay that amount. If you pay full amount, interest is equal to zero. Yes, zero means zero. That is why smart people love credit cards. But here is the catch. If you don't pay full amount, game is over. This is where the real business of banks starts. If you only pay the minimum amount, remaining amount gets charged interest, and not a small interest. It is around 30 percentage, even 45 percentage per year. Let that sink in. 30%, 40%, even 45%. That is the incense. Now just imagine Rahul again. He paid only 2100, remaining 40,000 rupees starts growing. Next month interest get added, then again interest on interest. This is called compounding, but in reverse way. Instead of making you rich, it slowly drains your money, and most people don't even notice it. But wait, there is another hidden thing most people don't know. Interest is charged from the date of the purchase, not from the due date. Yes, that means even delay once, you lose the interest benefits. And now every new purchase also start attracting interest. This is where people fall into a debt cycle. Now you might be thinking, then why do people even use the credit card? Right? Good question. Because used correctly, credit card can actually make you money. Yes, make you money. Let's talk about a smart side. Point number one, rewards and cashback. Every time you spend, you get points, flights, cashback, discounts. For example, you spend 10,000 per month on credit card, you get 1-2% return. That is 100 to 200 per month. It means 1200 to 2400 per year. But only if you pay full bill. Otherwise, you lose way from interest. This is where the things get interesting. Every time you use your credit card responsibly, your credit score increases, and a high credit score means easier loan approval, lower interest rate, better financial trust in future. This can save you lakhs on home loan or car loan. But mispayment, your credit score drops even fastly. Point number three, emergency power. Sometimes you don't have cash, medical emergency, credit card can instant access. No need to borrow from friends or family members, but only if you control it. Now here is the something most people ignore it. Credit limit is not your budget. Just because bank gives you 1 lakh doesn't mean you should spend 1 lakh rupees. This is where people make a big mistake. Experts says use only 30% of your limits. So if your limit is 1 lakh rupees, try to stay within 30,000. This improves your credit score and keep you safe. Let's come back to Rahul. After 6 months, his 40,000 become 50,000, then 60,000. He keeps paying due amount. Feels like he is managing, but actually he is sinking slowly, silently, until one day he realizes just to pay credit card bills. And this is the reality from many people. But here is the good news. You can avoid all these things just by following a few simple steps. Always pay full bill, not minimum due amount. Even it hurts because interest hurt more. Rule number second, spend only what you already have. If you can't buy it with debit card, don't buy it with credit card. Very simple. Rule number 3, set auto pay. Human error may fail, system don't, right? Rule number 4, track your spending. Credit card makes spending feels painless. No cash leaving your hands, so you overspend. Use app, check weekly, stay aware. Rule number 5, avoid cash withdrawal. This is dangerous, not dangerous, very dangerous, because interest starts immediately plus extra charges. This is the worst use of a credit card. Now pause for a second. Let me ask you something. Do you control your credit card or does it control you? Because that answer decides your financial future. Let's quickly recap. Credit card is a loan. Very simple. Interest free, only pay full. Minimum payment is trap. Interest is very high, but used smartly rewards credit score convenience. It is not about the credit card. It is about your behavior, your discipline. And remember this line, wealthy people use credit card for benefits, poor financial decisions use credit card for lifestyle. Big difference, right? So next time, whenever you swipe, don't think I can afford this. Think, can I pay the next month? That one question can save you from years of stress. And if you want to learn how to use money smartly, not emotionally, hit subscribe button, because here we just don't talk about money, we teach you how to control it. And remember, credit card is not dangerous, ignorance is dangerous. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.